Hello students, welcome to our online lecture for the chapter Oscillations. This is our 9th lecture for this chapter. In this lecture, I am going to explain about what is angular SHM and how to obtain the differential equation for the angular SHM. In the last 8 lectures, we have discussed about the linear simple harmonic motion. Yes? So, we know that what is the linear simple harmonic motion. In the linear simple harmonic motion, that is in linear SHM, the path of the object is linear. There is the one center point and two extreme points, and along this extreme point the particle moves to and fro. It performs to and fro motion along the linear path, then it is called as linear simple harmonic motion. Sometimes the path is vertical but it is linear. And again, what is the special thing in this linear simple harmonic motion? That is, the force is directly proportional to displacement and their directions are opposite to each other. The negative sign shows us that the directions are opposite to each other. So we can write force is equal to minus Ks. That is the equation for linear simple harmonic motion. Now, here in angular simple harmonic motion, in your book on the first page it is given that for the angular simple harmonic motion, the path is angular, means the path is the part of some arc like, means it is the part of some circle. And the object moves here along the angular path. Again, the object moves to and fro, but along the angular path. Then that SHM is called as angular simple harmonic motion. To explain the angular simple harmonic motion in your book, there is one example, that is of the torsional pendulum. Here, a thin wire is attached to a rigid support, and at the another end of the thin wire, a metal disc, circular metal disc, heavy metal disc is attached at the lower end of this thin wire, and this is the metal wire, and that is elastic. Sometimes it may be nylon wire also. Is that? And here there is the circular disc attached to the thin wire. When this circular disc move in anti-clockwise sense, see here, when it is moving anti-clockwise sense, in the wire is twisted in clockwise sense. Listen here, when the disc जेव्हा आपण अँटी क्लॉकवाइज फिरवणार तेव्हा वायर ही जी आहे ती क्लॉकवाइज ट्विस्ट होणार, and in that wire the restoring torque is developed. Is that? And that torque is directly proportional to the angular displacement of the metal disc. Means when the disc is twisted by some angle theta, here we consider, suppose initially at the rest position, this is the mean position of this point O. This point O goes to point M. Disc moves by some angular displacement theta in the anti-clockwise sense. In that case, the torque is developed in the wire, that is in the clockwise sense. That torque, try to restore it towards the mean position, and that torque is directly proportional to displacement. So again, when the disc comes to mean position, it moves in the clockwise direction. When the disc moves in the clockwise direction, in that case the torque produced in the wire is in again anti-clockwise direction. Thus the angular displacement theta and the torque both are directly proportional to each other, but their directions are opposite, same as that of in the linear motion. In the linear simple harmonic motion, the magnitude of force is directly proportional to magnitude of linear displacement. Is that clear? Similarly, here the displacement is angular, the path is angular like an arc, and when the body rotates, the torque is developed in the wire that restores it to the mean position, and that torque is, the magnitude of that torque is directly proportional to magnitude of angular displacement, and their directions are opposite, so we use here the negative sign. Now we can write torque is equal to minus c theta. This is the same equation as that of the F is equal to minus kx in linear simple harmonic motion. Like that in angular simple harmonic motion, I can write here torque is equal to minus c into theta, where c is the restoring torque per unit length. Now we know the value of torque. is that in rotational dynamics, what is the formula for torque? If I is the moment of inertia and alpha is the angular acceleration produced here, then we can say that, can you tell me the formula for torque? That is, torque is equal to I into alpha. Now here alpha is the angular acceleration. We know that angular acceleration is the rate of change of angular velocity. And what is angular velocity? Angular velocity is the rate of change of angular displacement. So we can write alpha is equal to d square theta upon dt square. We use both these values here. We can write from this equation torque plus c theta is equal to 0. Now we can put the value of torque, that is I alpha plus c theta is equal to 0, and at the place of I can put I into d square theta upon dt square plus c theta is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion. Here d square theta, second derivative is there. D square theta upon dt square is nothing but the value of alpha, that is angular acceleration. Theta is the angular displacement, and so I can write I into d square theta upon dt square plus c into theta is equal to 0. I can find the value of alpha here. I can say from this equation I alpha is equal to minus c into theta. So I can write alpha is equal to minus c upon I into theta. Now again c is the restoring torque per unit length, and I, that is the moment of inertia of this disc, that is constant. So I can say c upon I is constant. So I can write alpha is directly proportional to theta and their directions are opposite to each other. Means we can say the angular acceleration is directly proportional to the angular displacement. Thus, from these two equations, angular acceleration is directly proportional to angular displacement. The directions are opposite. Again, torque is directly proportional to angular displacement and their directions are opposite. From these two equations, we can define the angular simple harmonic motion in the same manner as that of the linear simple harmonic motion. So what will be the definition? For angular simple harmonic motion, we can say angular simple harmonic motion is the oscillatory motion in which the angular acceleration or the restoring torque is directly proportional to the angular displacement and their directions are opposite to each other. That is the definition of angular simple harmonic motion. The definition is given in your book. You can read the book. After watching the video, you must read your textbook. तुमच्या टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये एका पेजवर पूर्ण हे डिस्क्रिप्शन दिलेले आहे. What is angular simple harmonic motion? Definition. The example, that is the torsional pendulum. These oscillations are called as sometimes oscillatory torsional oscillations, and this is the differential equation of angular simple harmonic motion I into d square theta upon dt square plus c theta is equal to 0. By using this concept, that is the angular simple harmonic motion, we can derive the next derivation for the magnet. That is the when the magnet is placed in uniform magnetic field and when it is moved, it performs angular simple harmonic motion. We have to prove that the motion of that magnet is simple harmonic motion. So for that, this video is very useful, and you must know what is angular simple harmonic motion and what is the differential equation for angular simple harmonic motion. Is that clear? Thank you.